Hello everyone, hope you're doing good well. Today we are going to create partitions on Windows 10 in your PC or laptop. Let's get started. You can see there is only 3 drives, nothing else. So go to search bar and type run and then click on the run. Now here we need to type disk mgmt.msc. Once you type, click OK. A new window appear like this, which we call it disk management. Now we can see the system reserved C drive. Just look for the bigger drive, you just select that drive. Just have to do right click this and click on shrink volume. When you click on shrink volume, it will take some times. Here I can see 195 GB hard drive, so let's say it if I want to create 10 GB drive, mention it in megabytes. And I'll go to the shrink. It will take some time, depend on hard drive speed. So you can see unallocated space here. Earlier we have 3 drive, now we have 4 drive. So we need to format this drive to create the partition. Just do right click. Click on New Simple Volume. Click on Next. Again click on Next. Here we can assign ladder and click on Next. Set the name what you want and click on Next and then click on Finish. A new partition has been created. Let's go and check. Please hit the like and subscribe. I need your support.